Welcome again. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the agent call log option, where they can see the logs of the calls that they have taken and all the information, which will be much useful to your agent productivity. So I'm going to show you how you can enable this thing. So first of all, let me log in and show you. I'm going to use 2001 and then 2001, and the user ID will be the same 2001, and then the campaign will be the testing campaign that I'm using at the moment.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, so as you can see that I have received the inbound call in my desktop over here. So from here you can see this is the function that I was talking about, call logs. So if any calls were made using this user ID or this dialer, all the details will be visible over here. For an example, if I try to dial any number, let's say it's a made up number. Okay, I'm just trying to connect this. Obviously it's not going to be connected, so I'm going to hang up this thing and then not answer. Okay, and then if I go to the callback, now you can see that on this particular time period, okay, I have dialed this number and this was the campaign. Okay, it was a out manual call and I have dialed it by manual. Hang up reason is agent info. If you have all the information for this particular number, like the customer name or something like that, it will be appear over here. So how you can enable this particular function? So to do that, all you have to do is go to the uh, user group, then go to the specific campaign where your users are um, assigned to. For my case, as you can see over here, my user group is 2000, this one. So I have to select that one, then scroll down and enable this one, agent call log view. If you do that and then if you submit that, this options will be available and your agent can use that to boost their productivity. So thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video any helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel. I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.